repeat process. Alan, good afternoon. What stood out in the repeat process in terms of the primaries?
Good afternoon to you, JCS. Indeed, we've been following up with the nomination exercise, especially, of course, specifically for the UDF party here in Meru County. Remember, we've actually been repeating this, that the positions of governor, senator, and those of the constituencies' positions have not been subjected to the party primaries because they utilize the consensus route. And so only 25 out of the 45 wards in Meru County were subjected to nominations, and last week you saw some 11 wards were actually subject to a repeat exercise yesterday, Monday. But we're actually here with the returning officer for the UDF party here in Meru County, Bernard Kiraithe, to just tell us, because we understand that out of the 14 that were subject to the repeat exercise, 5 still failed the test. Maybe you tell us, Karibu sana Bwana Kiraithe, you've actually informed us that 5 again fell short of the threshold. Where did you go wrong, of course, as a party?
First, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. The good news is that out of the 14, 9 of them, the nominations were done, and there were credible, verifiable elections that happened. And we already have the candidates who are going to represent the UDA party in the upcoming general elections. The candidates will be receiving their provisional certificates today. Some received actually last night, and the others should be receiving today. Of the wards where it wasn't successful in terms of the repeat nominations, were technical difficulties that were experienced. But the National Elections Board of UDA party is on top of things, and actually they'll be giving directions on what they are going to do. But all in all, we are very happy with the conduct.